Welcome to my channel. Netgear router not working. 1. Restart the router. Unplug your Netgear router from power, wait for 30 seconds, then plug it back in to refresh its system. 2. Check the power light. Ensure the router's power light is solid, not off or blinking. If not, check the power adapter and outlet. 3. Verify cable connections. Confirm that the Ethernet cable from the modem is securely connected to the router's WAN/Internet port. 4. Test the modem. Restart the modem by unplugging it and checking if the Internet works when connected directly to a device. Five. Connect to the router. Use a computer or smartphone to connect to the router's Wi-Fi network or via Ethernet. 6. Access the admin panel. Open a browser and go to http://192.168.1.1 or http://routerlogin.net, then log in with your admin credentials. 7. Update firmware. Go to the Advanced or Administration section to check for firmware updates. Install if available. 8. Reset the router, if needed. If problems persist, press and hold the reset button on the back of the router for 10 seconds to restore factory settings. 9. Reconfigure the router. After a reset, use the Netgear admin panel or Nighthawk app to set up the router again. Thank you for watching.